Hi, welcome to SITU. On this channel, I intend to give you a lot of valuable information as it pertains to obtaining that academic degree in the United Kingdom. I am here to help. Now, you may have specific questions with regards to your specific needs. Always make sure to leave comments in the chat. That way I know what you need and I help more specifically. Otherwise, you will get a lot of information ranging from obtaining a bachelor's, a master's, a PhD degree, moving into how to get yourself a job to actually remain in this country if that was what you're interested in. Lots of bits and pieces. I really hope to be able to draw you closer to your dream. If this sounds like something you will be interested in, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Okay, make sure to turn on your post notification bell so that you are alerted whenever I upload a new video. Finally, please share this with your friends, anyone else whom you think would want similar information. Right, I'll see you again very shortly. Bye for now.